Today we're going over cash registers inside Adopt Me. If you did not know this, that cash registers were disabled in like a few months ago. Basically, they got re-enabled in the trading update. Here's a guide on them. So if you want to get a cash register, you click edit in your house, you click on stuff, and you search up cash or something like that. Then you'll see a cash register. You can place it anywhere you want, like here or here, basically anywhere. And if I do this glitch and I'm up here, I'm gonna place it. I need a table first. So let me go to, no, not walls. Let me search up table. And we'll get a quick small table. And then we can put the cash register on it. So then I click on stuff. Then I click on cash. It takes short pronunciation. Look, it says hold to drag. Let's just put it there. Now we go back. Then basically it says don't use cash registers to pay for bucks for pets/items, or you may get scammed. Stay safe. That's a part of the trading update. Basically, you can like type in something and then you get paid. Basically, you cannot pay yourself. I'm gonna tell my brother to get online to demonstrate it. So we'll be back in just a sec. Back with my brother. Basically, he's gonna help me demonstrate what the use of cash registers are. You can pay the owner anything from 1 till like 20 cash. And it has to be greater than 0.
How much do we pay? Okay, let me pay you.
Pay me a random amount. Okay, good. And basically with the cash, it's like Adopt Me bucks. You get Adopt Me bucks basically. Also,
watch as his bank account gets even bigger.
Rohan, do you have your lemonade stand?
Let's see. Someone scammed me out of it.
Really?
But I mean, you scammed me out of my unicorn, lol. I really like unicorn.
I did not scam you out of your unicorn.
Okay, let me just set the price to $20. You need to buy 5 of them. Actually.
Let me get back up.
Oh my god!
Well, basically, this is a lemonade stand. Okay, just
you can dancing on the couch.
You can basically get water from it. Like you have to buy it, and then they'll get $20 from it, and you can also drink the lemonade stand.
You said you'll give me 5.
Okay. And then you cannot buy too much at a time.
Yay! Look at this. I'm dancing on the couch while I'm moving.
Okay.
I'm giving you all my water.
Okay.
There. And is that insane? I'm dancing while not even on the couch.
Well, I'm getting $20.
Anyways, my uni.
Yeah, and apparently if you give too much water, then it will clog up the lemonade stand. It will say that the stand has too many orders right now. Come back, so I cannot like spam the stand.
How much times you paid me?
I don't know, but basically.
Okay, I'll pay you. Okay, claim all your money already. I fell off the building.
Yeah, but basically, that's what, and they have a new limit. Earlier, they used to have like
a limit of 10.
A limit of 100, but now wait. Oh yeah, the lemonade stand has 50. I mean, I can pay 50, and 50 is
no, the lemonade stand's limit is $20.
Well, basically, the cash register is $50, and the lemonade is only $20.
It's glitched up because of my pet.
Yeah, so basically, that's what it is. Anyway, this is how you can use the the thing. you should not use it for scams. Like, if someone's like, they'll give you like roll on. Say you put your unicorn up. No, I put my kangaroo up, and then you want to pay it. Like, pay like 20. It's only sold for $20.
Okay, let me enter 20 buckaroos.
And then I can just run away.
No, give me actually the kangaroo. You said.
Yeah, then the person will just leave the game.
Thanks for double money.
Yeah,
now
give you it back.
I could just maybe buy my unlimited.
Anyway, that's one of those scams.
Anyways.
Those are one of the scams with these cash registers. Do not use it for that reason.
Because you gave me 2 times more bucks.
Well, still, but do not fall for those scams. They'll just leave the game or just teleport somewhere else and not focus on you.
But now that I think about it, it is illegal. So my pet needs to sleep.
Anyway, another thing you should not do with your cash register is to like
hit people with it.
It's not that. It's
hurt frogs.
No, it's to
hurt ginger
like
cats.
buy like pets from it, like already like.
I like ginger. Oh my god, my ginger cat's getting old.
Basically, you can don't buy pets from it or toys like this thing. Basically, like the propeller or this chicken. Well, basically, do not buy stuff like that. Okay, and I think that's all we have for the cash register. Oh yeah, and do not scam with the cash register either, or the lemonade stand. Anyway, that's our video. Make sure to subscribe if you like it, and goodbye.